When product and engineering teams aren't aligned at every level, software delivery doesn't work. Full stop.
You got that right. And it's not because teams aren't working harder. Everyone thinks we're doing the right thing.
I saw that. But if product and engineering teams aren't driving the common outcome, we might be solving different problems. Worst case scenario, teams invest months in building something that doesn't drive revenue because customers don't need it or want it.
And when we finally realize the disconnect, it's late, it's expensive, and nobody's happy.
So what's the fix? Another meeting?
No more meetings, no more meetings. We manage it in a couple of ways. We set joint OKRs and pull progress data right from the products, so Louise and I have the most current information anytime we need it.
Those OKRs cascade from the leadership level to the team level, so it's 100% clear what work is connected to what goal and how's it going.
Roadmaps are another way we stay in sync. We don't manage them in PowerPoint. Oh, no.
We have a bi-directional sync that connects the roadmap directly to the work the teams are doing.
So we can see right away where things are on track and off track, where there are dependencies that might create delivery risk.
We know immediately what's happening, what's working and what's not.
And decisions become faster and clearer.
When we see the same reality, alignment happens every day.